Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I will not make any delay and will start right away with the video. It's about the tips a parent should give for your child before sending to school. So I am not saying that you are not giving the tips required for your child, but I just want to remind you that you are giving these without missing them. So the reason why I am making this video is, it was not the same world which was when I went to school or when my sister went to school. Now the world has completely changed. Remind them every day before sending them to school, until and unless they reach a certain age. So at what age you have to start telling them, it is based upon your child. Make sure you tell them every day if they are quite young, like a 4-year-old or 3-year-old. Teach your child parent's name, contact number, if possible address or a landmark. So if your child is too young to remember your mobile number and they need help, so write your name and mobile number on the book which they carry every day to school, and when they are at home, tell them that, show them to the person who are available at that point so that they can contact you. Educate your child not to share any of the personal details unless it is an emergency. So the next one is stranger. Just warn them not to take anything when it is offered by a stranger. Make sure your child knows that anything offered by a stranger, it can be food, it can be help, an unnecessary or a help which is not needed at that point of time, or it can be anything from a stranger, a bad touch, a physical touch, anything is a no, and they have the right to complain about it at that instant. So educate your child about situations like when a stranger comes up to them and tells that their parents are nearby and they are waiting somewhere at the end of the street or end of the road, and he will accompany them till there. So it's a complete no. Tell them they should be aware of situations like this. Educate your child to walk on a pavement or a sidewalk while walking on street. So if ever got wounded, show them where the first aid department is. This is the most important point I wanted to share from a long time. So educate your child about a good touch and a bad touch, and it is not their fault getting a bad touch from a stranger. It is okay to shout, it is okay to yell, or it is okay to express it. So as a parent, you will definitely know your child very well. If they have some concern or complaints regarding anything, just don't judge it. Listen to it. Educate your child not to keep any secrets from a stranger. If someone comes up to them and tells them to keep a secret, educate them not to keep such secrets. Always give the support a child needs. apart from all these tips, we can use the technology we have right now. Yes, use a GPS locator or a tracker. Now that GPS tracker should be in such a way, now they are available online on Amazon and various websites, you can check them out, but now that device should be as small as possible and it should not be easily seen by anyone. It has a related app which you can install in your phone, and the GPS tracker will be in your child's bag or in their pocket, somewhere safe where they can't remove it, and the app will show the location, live location. It's simple, you can try that, it's good. Like, it gives you the assurance that your child is safe. So if your child feels the discomfort or he or she is not comfortable when someone is near them, sit with them privately and talk with them. So most of the children don't open up about such things because the fear will overtake them. So to avoid such situations, just ask them to stay calm and patiently listen to them first, what they want to say. Don't interrupt them unless they speak out everything whatever they have inside them. Always encourage them to go with their gut instincts. If your child has recently shifted from one school to another school, so age doesn't matter. They might be even studying 6th standard or 7th standard and you might judge them that yes, they can handle them. No, they will be shy. Sometimes some children, not everyone can handle the change so easily. So they have to make new friends or they have to face new teachers, everything. The complete environment is new for them. So tell them whom to contact if they need something or if they want something or if they want to talk about something, whom they need to contact in that school. Never judge yourself that your child is shy and he is not comfortable meeting new people. Never do that. Make sure he has a good circle of friends from his class and their parents as well. That will help a lot, you and your child. Now, your child will hide behind you when they see new faces, but still introduce them to that circle of new faces. So you guys might think what good it will do. So it will help you a lot. Not every day might be, but it will help you in such instances like where you were supposed to pick up your child after school and you were late due to some work and your child is waiting outside without anyone's assistance or anyone's company. So if any of the parents are familiar and they see your child, they will wait until someone shows up from your family to pick up the child. Ask your child always to stay inside the school premises. So being a parent, we have so many things to think, and then additionally we have COVID. So you have to educate your child even on that, telling them to wear mask properly, hand wash and sanitize their hands regularly whenever they touch something. So educate them very well, thoroughly. If yes, they won't listen, kids don't listen at all, but you have to. That is, being a parent is the toughest task. So yes, educate them on it too, how dangerous COVID is and how important putting a mask and using a hand sanitizer or a hand wash. So that's it guys, those are the tips every parent should teach to their child, and to all the parents who have mastered in that, kudos to them. That's it for today. I'll be back with another video. Till then, this is Radha. Bye. So In every house there is a child who goes to school every day. And if you think this video is informative and useful to any of the people you know, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel.